Okay, so you start the video here and you hit record, all right? Is it recording?
Yes.
Are you sure it's recording?
Yes.
What are these?
Boom Boom Spoon Man.
Spoon Man?
Yes.
Do you like that?
That was loud.
Okay, what about this?
No.
Alright, come on here. Come here. So, this hot sauce is called Blueberry Hell. Look at these. Look at the blueberries. They turn to skulls. This is a hot sauce, alright? One of the things I wanted to show everybody, if you wanted to look to Twitter to kind of see,
I don't know if it's gonna focus.
and that's fine if it doesn't. These have Carolina Reapers into it. Okay, this is a very hot sauce. It's very concentrated, which we just talked about in the last video. So, move on in. I'm going to add about a spoonful of each to those spoons. Okay, so zoom in. Come here. Come here. Okay? Now, I'm going to add it right now. 1 spoonful. 1 spoonful. This one has less, right? Does that look better? Is that more equal?
Yes.
What do you think? Does that look equal to you?
Yes.
I don't want the kids coming back and me saying, you ate the low one.
It's dripping.
It's dripping. Okay? So, this is Carolina Reapers in it and blueberries. I'm going to add it to these sauces that I've already made. I'm going to eat them. So, this sauce. What this sauce? Uh-oh. So, I guess I'm going to add it. You know what? I'm going to be a good sport. This one has more. Now again, obviously here there's nothing to mix. And here we do have stuff we can mix, okay? The topic for this video that I wanted to mention today is dilution. Dilution occurs essentially when you're watering something down. Now, looking at this spoon, come back to this. I'm a little bit about to eat this spoon of Carolina Reaper hot sauce just in 1 spoonful. Now, one of the things about this is I had nothing to mix it with. So this is going to be full-blown concentration. All the spice that's in here, I'm going to get 100% of that. I'm a little nervous actually right now, come to think of it. At least it smells nice. But here, I watered it down, I diluted it. I mixed it in with other things. As you might imagine, it's not going to be as spicy here as it is here. Because here, I diluted it. I added it to other stuff. So, let's see how this goes. So, you can still see. Can you see me?
Yes.
Is this scary? Are you scared?
No.
Why?
I'm confident in your abilities.
Don't I always have hot sauce on everything?
Yes.
Do I put hot sauce in cereal?
No.
Don't you eat cereal?
No.
Okay. You gonna count down or what?
3, 2, 2.5.
How do you go from 3 to 2 to 2.5? You're the one with the doctor of mathematics. How do you do that?
Maybe I wanted to go up.
Alright, fine.
2, 1.
Can we get this over with?
Go. This was a bad idea.
Yep. Oh, it's like instantly hot. Look at my arms. Look at my arm. Do you feel? Is it red? It feels red already.
I see no difference in your arms.
Oh, it feels. I can feel it in my arms. That was hot. So right now I look like a fool. As you can imagine, that's very hot. It's very citrusy. It's very vinegary, but it's very back of your throat. Hot. Bring it back. So, I'm just going to try to talk it out. So, with this one, I've added that spoonful of the sauce to, this is mayo and ketchup I just mixed up, just a little bit of each. And this is going to really weaken it because I'm adding the sauce to other things.
Are you okay?
You better like this video. Everyone better watch this and learn dilution. Oh my word. Okay, back to this. So, with doing that, now again, please keep in mind, obviously, my taste buds are shot right now, but if I were, I'm going to get a decent spoonful of this now. Think we could agree that's okay? Mm-hmm. So, going back and trying this one, it should not be as hot. You gonna count down? Okay.
Oh.
And honestly, because I've added it to this, honestly, I think you could try it.
I don't want to try it.
I know you don't want to try it. My wife cannot handle spice. Do not hate on her at all. She cannot handle. She thinks this is spicy, y'all. She thinks this is spicy.
That's a lie.
You think this is spicy? It's not a lie. Are you gonna take the challenge or not? Just a dash. Okay, that's a no. So, my wife's scared and chicken. Bok bok bok. So again, this isn't that hot. Like this, I can still feel it from here, but this is actually helping. It's actually cooling it down. Yeah, that's really not that hot. But this, with nothing to weaken it, it does. Thank you, wife. So, one of the things to think about is with this idea of dilution, right? It's really adding water to it, weakening it. So here, it's kind of an example. If I had, say, a solution in chemistry, like some medicine, and this is really important for medicines. You know, on commercials for medicines, or if you're in the doctor's office, they'll ask your weight. They're asking your weight so they can make a medicine that's appropriate for your body. I am going to get a different medicine than you guys because I weigh more than a lot of you do. Okay, I'm 180 pounds. I'm 6'4". So I need a bigger dose for that. You would get a diluted version of the medicine I'm getting because what I need is different than what you need. So right now with everything going on, this is a very, very highly the best topic thing. But we need to figure out, if I have a 0.5 molar solution from the last video, right? So it's decently strong. 2 liters of it, but I added water, and you can see the color's changing. A little bit lighter, right? Because I watered it down. And I added 1.5 liters to it. What's the new concentration? So before and after. Well, as it turns out, this is also a topic that's rooted in math.
Yes.
Yes!
Math for days.
And here's your new equation. This is the dilution formula. M1V1 equals M2V2. And this isn't really that bad. This is your before conditions and your after conditions. So it's literally like Pivnert. As you have a molarity, if I have a molarity and I add water to it, as molarity goes down, that means your volume went up. So if you have a, this is going to be like strong to weak. Sorry for that. This is going to go from a low to high volume. And again, we saw that over here. This was hot. That was hot. Nothing to mix it with. This wasn't as bad. So, looking at our equation, we got 2. I'm going to do the math right here. So we have our equation. M1V1 equals M2V2. 0.5 molar. 2 equals, well, we don't know that. Our volume's 3.5. So we get 1 equals 3.5x. And again, because I'm adding volume to this, this concentration should drop. This should drop. And I think you can already see that it does, for sure. So, taking out my phone. 1 divided by 3.5 is 0.2857 molar. And that is a little bit above half as strong as it was. So this did get weaker. So really quickly, that's kind of the formula. Check it out really quick. I have some more practice online, not a lot. I think it's 3 or 4 problems with this, not too bad at all. And I really hope from these 3 videos that you're picking up on this unit doesn't need to be hard. It's a lot of stuff, but it doesn't mean it's hard if you're taking, due diligence with it, okay? Have a great weekend. Have a great spring break now that we're officially on ours. And again, thank you to my beautiful wife for helping me video this. It's hot. It's still hot. I still feel it. Not fun. But I hope you guys have a great, safe, and happy spring break. Miss you guys. Later. Bye.